Yo, what is up, guys? It's Hunter here coming back at you with another valuable video. I'm going to be dropping some sauce today. Shout out to ICT for this. He deserves all the credit. But before we get started, what I want you to do is like and subscribe. It gets us to do more videos. Drop a comment in the comment section below if you want a video shot. Go join our free Telegram. We'll be dropping charts in there, but we'll be dropping educational stuff in there so you can have it all for free. If you want to get to touch us closely, you want to talk to us, you want me to grade your charts, go to our Instagram, follow us on Instagram, and you can reach me quicker there. So I'll share my screen and we'll get started. Guys, I know you've heard this before. If you haven't, buckle in. You can see here down at my bottom of my screen here, this is the NASDAQ, okay, in the line chart, okay? Now, what I want you to pay attention to is what I'm about to show you is, these two pairs. You got the S&P, SPX 500, and you got the NASDAQ. They're very correlated pairs, right? So when one goes up, the other one follows, right? So when I see a terminology called smart money technique, which is smart money divergence, that allows me to have an extra powerful confluence to take the trade behind it, right? So I'm going to show you some of those events. You can see here, okay? You can see here on this day here, we had a low, okay? And we had a lower low on SPX. Now you can see on NASDAQ low, we had a higher low. That is letting me know. It's just like you reading divergence on the RSI or the TDI or whatever you use. You can see that this is very powerful, okay? Because if your trade setup is there and you have this together, that's just an extra piece of confluence that you can take a trade, pow. And then you can enter the market like you've been taught, right? Let's look at some more examples. I'm just going to go back. Let me go on the 5-minute on the 24th just to see a little bit better. Let me just go here. I'm almost there anyway. Okay. You see here, we have a low, we have a lower low. Okay. Boom. Boom. Lower low, higher low. You see the difference? So you can use this to get into a trade. If your trade setup is available when this is happening and you get all the confluences that you need to enter a trade, game over. It's game over, right? How to get this at the bottom of the chart. You see this little plus sign, hit the plus sign, you click NASDAQ, and you can have it at the bottom of your screen, okay? But let's look at a few more examples. Let's look at a reversed example versus what I've been showing. So that's the same. Kind of want to look at a sell example. We can. Right here. Okay. I know this is no like, you're getting at the end of your session and stuff like that, but 10 o'clock. Okay, cool. So we must have. Okay, cool. So you can see this high here. Okay, right there. Higher high. High, lower high. You see that? Then we broke down, and you could have, done what you needed to do to get into the trade. However you enter. Same thing right here. Low, lower low. They're different. Okay. Same thing with US 30, guys. You can you could use US 30 this way too. They pretty much run together, right? Not every day you're gonna have this. Not every day, but when it does present itself, it's very, very valuable to have. You can also do hidden divergence too as well. Um, but you can see that how they're correlated, but you can use this technique to get into a trade. Let's find one more example right here. You see the high here. Okay. I know this might not be a trade setup for you guys. I'm just doing the example. When this happens, there is usually a significant move behind it or after it. Okay. So you got a high here, lower high, higher high, lower high, right there. Boom. Smart money divergence. Smart money technique is what ICT calls it. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So because when you get into a trade, let's look at a trade setup that we could potentially get into if we were looking for a trade setup. Right here. Right here would be perfect. And the reason why, let me show you. Okay. So you can tell that we're definitely bullish, right? We've been moving up, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and stuff like that, right? So you can see that we have a low, right? And then we get into our time period, and you can see what 830 equity did. We shot down really quick, that one candle, right? And then we shot up, stopped at the high, and pulled back. And there's probably a point of interest right here, either order block or a fair value gap in this on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. And then you can see, let's just say we wanted to take a trade on SPX. You can see, bam, go swing low to swing high, and then we got into a discounted price. There's number two confluence. Then you have a lower low, lower high, and then look what happened on NASDAQ. You have a low right there, and that low was swept. Okay, that low was swept right here. So this low was swept on NASDAQ, which is perfect, right? So when this set the trade up and swept liquidity and started moving forward and gave you the confluence, then you knew right then and there that this was going to be a perfect OTE entry. Pow, and you could have got into it. So guys, I just wanted to show you that today. Really quick video, something really easy to read that you can apply to your charts. You do not have to, put this at the bottom of your chart, but still using the TDI, using the TDI. But I'm just saying you can use correlated pairs with that smart money technique and use it as a confluence. With that, guys, I hope you got value out of that. Like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can pump some more videos out. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff with this channel this year. I'm going to be dropping a lot of value. Might even do some live streams, do some live trading like I do with the group. Like I said, don't forget to go join that Telegram so you can get free content. If you want to reach out to me, you want to talk to me, you want to drop me some charts like Greg, reach out to me on Instagram and follow us on Instagram. With that, guys, keep pipping and dipping. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.